Avocados, avocados everywhere. If you have started keto or have been at it for a while, then you're going to see the logo of an avocado, avocados in every single recipe, and you might actually be tired of just eating avocados, even though they are a great source of everything on keto. In this video, I'm going to give you many different ways to use the versatile avocado and some that I can guarantee you have never heard of. But who am I anyway? Well, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Talita from Shrinking with Keto. And throughout my ketogenic journey, I have lost now over 200 pounds and reversed my type 2 diabetes. Now, throughout this journey, I have helped and coached plenty of people reach their goal. And I hope I can do the same for you. Now, it's no secret that I'm an avocado lover. I mean, whoever knows me, they know I love avocados and I will happily consume them every single day of my life. But after a year of eating avocados, I did kind of get sick and tired of just adding some olive oil and salt and pepper and eating it just with a spoon. So I started digging online to find recipes where I could use avocado. So while I was browsing, I found a list of ways to use the versatile avocado on Healthline, and I tried them, and guess what? Those are the ones I'm bringing to you. One of my favorite ways to consume avocado is stuffed. All you have to do is cut the avocado in half and crack an egg in each of the holes. Season it with some spices and herbs if you wish, and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you want to be really creative and you don't really want to add the egg, you can do the same thing, the stuffed avocado, and replace it with maybe shredded chicken or tuna, add some cheese and seasoning. Again, bake it in the oven the way I mentioned earlier, and there you have a perfectly stuffed avocado. Another yummy way to incorporate the avocado in your everyday meals is in scrambled eggs. Now, when the eggs are fully scrambled because you don't want to burn the avocado, dice the avocado inside the scrambled eggs. Maybe you want to add some tomato and season it, and that's going to give such a creamy texture to your scrambled eggs, you won't even believe how yummy it is. Now, the one I'm going to mention now, you're going to be like, Talita, when we think avocado, we think guacamole, right? You're going to be surprised at how many people completely jump the whole guac thing because it's keto, but all the ingredients, almost all the ingredients, unless you're used to eating store-bought guacamole, are keto friendly. So you can make a delicious guac and have it instead of just eating the avocado with a spoon. At this point, you're probably wondering where are the creative ways you mentioned? Well, I'm going to give you one right now. You can use avocado as a substitute for mayo. Yeah, you heard me right. If you get a really ripe avocado and add a little bit of Greek yogurt to that, season it, and also add some olive oil or the oil of your preference, blend it, and it's going to give you such a creamy texture. And you can use it as a binder the same way you would use mayo for like a chicken salad or a tuna salad. Which brings me to another very interesting way to use the avocado on your ketogenic diet, and that is in soups. Now, if you've never tried this, you should. You can do it in two different ways. One is by making it into chunks, cut it up, dice it up, and add it to your soup, and it's going to give your soup some sort of texture. Or you can actually blend it into your soup and turn your soup into a creamier soup just by adding the ripe avocado. Which takes me to my next way of using the avocado if you're looking for a dairy-free substitute for sour cream. I'm going to give you a very quick recipe here so that you can make it for yourself. Just take 2 very ripe avocados and the juice of 2 limes. Add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper, and mix it all together. Try it, and then tell me if it's not delicious. Now, before we go into 3 ways that you have never imagined of using the avocado, let me interrupt you for a second. If this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, please, let's make sure it's not the last. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that YouTube can let you know every single time I have a new video for you. And please feel free to ask me anything you want down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. Grilled. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually grill avocado. Avocados can also be grilled, making them a perfect side dish, especially for barbecued meats. All you need to do is cut the avocado in half, drizzle it with a little bit of lemon or lime juice, salt and pepper. Then you want to brush it with olive oil and put the cut side down on the grill for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just go ahead and try it. The next very creative way to use your avocados is pickled. I mean, have you ever had pickled avocados? If not, you're going to want to try this. So again, I'm going to give you a quick recipe here on how to pickle your avocados. Now, you will want to bring to a boil 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. These 3 ingredients, very easy to remember. 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then place this mixture in a mason jar, and you want to add 3 unripe avocados diced into little cubes. Finally, place the lid and let them marinate for a couple of days before you eat them. And when you try them, tell me if it is not the most delicious thing you've tried. And if you thought pickled and grilled were a creative way of using avocados, how about fried? You can actually fry avocado and have avocado fries instead of French fries. Cut them the same way you would cut fries and either deep fry them, or for a healthier version, you can air fry them. Just make sure you brush them really well with oil before. Now, I'm sure you've obviously all heard that you can use avocados in smoothies, but did you know that you can use avocados in ice cream? Yes, you can absolutely make keto ice cream using the versatile avocado. Now, if you want to try the avocado as an ice cream, there are plenty of versions that you can find everywhere online. Plus, a little tip here is that you can turn them into avocado ice pops. Another way you can use the avocado is to make a very creamy salad dressing. Not just chopped up in your salad, but actually the basis of your dressing. And I'm going to give you a very simple recipe here. Take your ripe avocado and add to it olive oil, some Greek yogurt, a little bit of salt and pepper, cilantro if you like it, some garlic powder, a tablespoon of mustard, and you blend that all together, and it's going to turn into an amazing dressing for your salad. Now, if you thought the avocado was interesting as an ice cream, wait until you try it as a chocolate mousse, a ketogenic chocolate mousse, or even as a brownie. So you see, the avocado can be used in many ways, and in desserts on a ketogenic diet, it is used a lot. Down in the description below, I'm going to link a couple of my favorite recipes where you can use the avocado. Now, the bottom line here is that you can use the avocado in many different ways on your ketogenic diet so that you never get sick and tired of it. These are just some of the suggestions. Imagine if you get creative, what you can do. Now, if you have gotten any value out of this video, I will kindly ask you to press the thumbs up button, as this helps YouTube take this content and push it out to more people that need it, just like you. So there you have it, my favorite versatile ways of using the avocado, and some which I can guarantee you have never thought of. And as always, chin up, or you know by now, the crown slips.